Hello everyone, welcome back. So have you ever wondered what it'd be like to take a drastic, easy diet for a month to kickstart your health goals and what the effects would be? Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to just have Huel products for 30 days and see if it delivers on its promise of being nutritionally balanced? Well, wonder no more and come along for the ride, because that's what me and my wife are doing. We're spending the whole of January 2025 only having Huel products. Huel products, coffee and tea. That's it. No tea with milk, just black coffee, black teas, well, fruit teas and water. So why are we doing this? For starters, we want to see if Huel really delivers on its promise of being nutritionally balanced. You have the products. It's got the big long list of ingredients and what they need. They say they're nutritionally complete, 100% nutritionally complete meal. Now, Huel does say that you should eat real food alongside their products and their meals, which is why we've only set ourselves the challenge of 30 days to see how we get on. So meal planning can be really hard, so we just thought, stuff it. Why not just push ourselves and stick to Huel for the whole of January and not think about what we want to eat, what we need to eat, and just think, right, this is how many calories I'm going to allow myself to hopefully see a bit of trimming down. It's just been Christmas. And we want to see what we're doing alongside of that. We are also taking part in the Help for Heroes challenge. In January, we're just doing push-ups, sit-ups and a run every day. I will put a link for my donation page in the video. If you can donate, please do check it out. I will be doing an update for how I get on every day just to keep myself accountable. So I'm going to be tracking everything. I'm keeping a journal to go over how I'm feeling, my mood, my energy levels, and if it saves me time in the end, and also if it does actually save me and my wife any money when it comes to using Huel opposed to just normally buying food. We are normally pretty good at shopping and all the groceries and all that sort of stuff. So we stocked up. What have we got? As you've seen, I am recording this on January the 2nd, actually. It's just been too busy over between December and the new year to get round to making this video before we start. So we have actually ripped open the boxes ever so slightly just to dig out some bits. Instead of making myself an actual shake of a product, I took this easy one for now and I'm sipping it whilst recording this video. So point one of them being easy is that's it. That's it. It's good to go. And it's salted caramel, the flavour I'm drinking right now. I've never tried it before, but it's really nice. Quite sweet, but also the salted come through, which I usually struggle with when it comes to salted caramel, because I love salted caramel, and usually for me there's not enough kick of the salt, but it's in there and it's delicious. Actually, it's really good and easy as anything, and that's gonna see me through recording the rest of this video. And I've got about 8 more that I'm going to do today. So let's see if my energy holds up. So I'm just going to sprawl it all out over the floor and show you everything that we've ordered. So as you've seen, we've ordered our salted caramel ready to drink drinks. They come in a pack of 12. Most of the packs come in these black packaging. This one is a shake for its black edition coffee caramel flavour. We also get a shaker. And I have to say, their shakers are a lot better than other brands. My wife got a chocolate, vanilla and berry and banana. These are a selection box of ready to drink things. So there you go, all plant-based, loads of protein, omega-3 and 6, fibre as well, which when we've done meal replacement diets in the past, fibre is usually something that you struggle to get, but there's chocolate, vanilla, berry and banana. She went for this one. It's just the normal standard one, so the white bottles, not really after the high protein. She also went for an iced coffee caramel. She's a fan of those drinks, and because we want to stick to it, we want to make sure we've got no excuses. It came in 2 big boxes like this. Now it says recommend a friend and you both get £10 off. We also got some of their complete nutrition bars. My wife has already had one. That's chocolate chip and cookie dough. Now the Nutri-Score is an A on all of these, which seems pretty crazy. I know there's some debate about them being ultra processed food, and it's no denying it definitely is. Got some savoury meals. So here's a savoury meal. It's pasta bolognese. Again, absolutely jam-packed with everything. Pasta bolognese. The same sort of bag, easy to store. Just scoop it out and add hot water and off you go. So you look to make your meals in this sort of thing. It's a bit like a reusable pot noodle pot, really. But you don't have to use that. But the idea is it'll be good for on the go. You get some. These are the generic like scoopers, and they work for make your own shakes and the savoury meals. And you get 4 of them. We've already dished them out and used one. Now I went for the black ready to drink because it has a higher percent of protein, and I just went for vanilla because I don't really need anything too exciting. I imagine it's sweet enough. I've not tried it yet, but it's got 35 grams of protein per bottle, so 400 calories opposed to the standard 20 grams of protein. Then you get a nice little booklet on let's get started, and this explains how to use things. So it's literally as simple as add your water, add your scoops, shake it up, off you go, bosh. And the savoury is the same. So as you can see, there's the black ones, they're the best sellers according to this, and there's hot meals. We didn't get any ready-made hot meals because if we were out and about, there wouldn't be anywhere where we'd be able to boil a kettle. So here you go, easing yourself into it, find your way. So morning, lunch, snack, dinner, boom, your whole day with Huel. And you say you don't need to use Huel for every meal of the day, but that is what we're doing in this challenge. Thought I wasn't recording then. You can, in theory, also subscribe and get a bit of discount. I imagine that's our loyalty, and well, that is something we're looking at. Now, the daily greens, when doing my research, because that's just like be like your vitamins and minerals that you need. But I messaged them and said, well, if all of your products are nutritionally complete, what's the use for this? And they said, as long as you have 2 Huel products, you don't need this. So if you're doing it how we're doing it, you won't need the daily greens, so we haven't gone for it. So there's refer friends and earn rewards, and that's what we'll be sharing with you guys, just to make it so you can get some discount yourself and stay connected. They have a pretty solid social media presence, and that's that. And there's something in here, I'm guessing that's what that was in, but the wife has already beat me to it. And the final thing we've got is Huel Cajun pasta. Again, exactly same format as everything else. We had this last night, and my wife described it as quite heavily seasoned, but I really enjoyed it. And we also have this, a Huel t-shirt that comes free. I have had a Huel t-shirt before, and the quality that they're made of is actually really nice, and I would personally think about buying them even without the Huel logo. So as you can see, we've got a variety of ready-made and make-up meals. Now the ready-made things are significantly more expensive than the make it yourself, but that makes sense. But variety is key, so we have a good selection of stuff between the 2 of us. So as I said, what you can expect from this series that I'm recording from our challenge that we've set ourselves is sticking to Huel for 31 days, the whole of January, no exceptions, and seeing how we get on. We have made it a bit of a double-edged sword in the fact that we're taking on the Help for Heroes challenge during January as well, but we thought this is a good way to raise money for charity, better our own health and fitness, and as well as making it so that we keep ourselves accountable and track our efforts. So here's what we're hoping to see as we work through this. We're hoping to see our weight come down because we're carrying a bit of extra timber. We're hoping to see our fitness levels go up as we're exercising and eating well. And we're hoping that our energy levels will get to a place where we're feeling on top of the world, which we currently are. We're feeling good. It's only day 2, but we're feeling strong. Now I'm also looking to donate some blood, which I do quite often anyway, but my appointment lands in the middle of January. So anyone who's kept a vegan or plant-based diet in the past, they usually trip on the hurdle of iron, having low iron. That's normally the stereotype. and I personally have never had any issue with having low iron. But let's see if by the time I go to my blood donation and they will test my iron levels there and then, I'll be able to scientifically, definitively know whether my iron levels are okay or not. So what to expect? So at the end of January, on the 31st, we will have had 31 days of having only consumed Huel products, black coffees or black teas, fruit teas, and water. Only there will be. We'll have exercised every day as long as there's no injuries, and just grabbing life by the horns and kickstarting our 2025 with a bang. Now, if you want to see the results for what 31 days on Huel does, make sure you click the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for the end of the month when all will be revealed. I will be revealing starting weights, end weights, starting fitness levels for both me and my wife, and we'll be talking about the road bumps that we come across any. We'll be talking about how we felt along the way, and I'll be discussing what I've tracked in my journal along the way. And I've been James, and I hope you've had a good Christmas, and I hope you take 2025 by the horns as well. Thanks for watching.